Hey friends, if you encounter slow download speeds for Microsoft Store on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. And how would you do that? So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will open the Microsoft Store. Now wait for it to load, and that is when the reset cache will be reset. After that, remove any metered connection and try to use the Wi-Fi for downloading through the Microsoft Store. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side, select Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi symbol and scroll down and check if there is any metered connection here, and if it is on, then turn it off. Obviously check the internet speed too. So open Microsoft Edge and go to the website fast.com. You can use Chrome or Firefox as well, they are also fast. And then the last solution is to re-register the Microsoft Store. Now I have a command in the description section of the video. Simply copy this command, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator in the right pane, paste it here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.